Welcome. If you want to make your X, formerly Twitter account more open and accessible, allowing message requests from everyone is a great way to connect with a wider audience. Today, I'll show you how to enable this feature on your PC using the latest update. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and find the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots in a circle. Click on it to open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, look for the Privacy and Safety section in the sidebar and click on it. This is where you control who can interact with you and how your information is shared. Within Privacy and Safety, find and click on Direct Messages. Here, you'll see the options that determine who can send you messages. To allow message requests from everyone, simply choose the Everyone option. This will enable anyone on X to send you a message request, even if you don't follow them. After you select Everyone, your settings are automatically saved. There's no need to hit any extra buttons. You're now ready to receive message requests from anyone on the platform, making it easier to network, collaborate, or just chat with new people. Opening your DMs to everyone can be a powerful way to build connections and stay engaged with the X community. If you ever want to limit who can message you, just revisit these settings and adjust your preferences at any time. That's all it takes. You've now successfully allowed message requests from everyone on X using your PC. Enjoy exploring new conversations and opportunities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy connecting.